Live Lingua Spanish episode 26. Vocabulary. Days, weeks, and months in Spanish. Now let's not confuse you. In this episode, we're not going to teach you how to say the days of the week or the months in Spanish. We'll teach you that in later episodes. Here we're actually going to teach you how to say the words day, days, weeks, month, months, etc. in Spanish. This is really important if you want to tell people how long you've been somewhere, how long you're going to be somewhere, or find out how long these other people have been in those locations. You guys already know the drill. We're going to say the word in English and in Spanish, and you really need to say this out loud. Don't say it inside your head if you can. Let's get started. Empecemos. Day.
Día,
Days.
Días,
Week.
semana,
Weeks.
semanas,
Month.
mes,
Months.
meses,
Year.
año,
Years.
años.
Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.